How to use popular decor items with good feng shui. Fresh-cut flowers are feng shui superheroes. They bring joy and nature qi, life force energy, into your home. It is also said that fragrant flowers can unstick anything that's stuck. The cheer and scent of flowers start to loosen up any stagnant areas of your life. Vases and planters are wonderful and functional home decor items to have in your home. They come in a variety of colors, shapes and materials that can invite different types of feng shui energies. One of the most popular home decor items is wall art. The color and subject matter can be chosen strategically for good feng shui. One of the most favorite ways to attract good feng shui is with houseplants. Green living houseplants invite good health and life energy because they bring nature into our spaces. Any kind of plant is good, but especially plants with soft and rounded leaves. In general, spiky, thorny, or sharp-leaved plants are not recommended for feng shui applications. One of the first things that a guest sees when visiting your home is the welcome mat. This is a home decor item that can make a big difference in how you are seen in the world, and how energy comes into your life. Rugs are connected to the earth element and can support and stabilize the energy of your home. The added nuance of color and pattern further invites different types of feng shui energies into your home. Aromatherapy is an incredibly effective method to shift the energy of your home. Select a diffuser that is the best quality you can purchase and keep it clean. A quick and simple way to change up the feng shui of your home is with pillows. Pillows have the flexibility to be switched out with your current energetic requirements due to life situations or even the seasons, but still have a big effect on the energy of your home. Candles not only create a soft ambiance in a home, but they can bring in the inspirational qualities of the fire element. In many spiritual traditions, candles symbolize luminous wisdom. Mirrors are commonly used in home decor and can be used to improve your feng shui in many different ways. The mirror symbolizes wisdom and clarity, as it always reflects the truth. For feng shui applications, only use clear and true high-quality mirrors without any fractures or distortion. No matter what your spiritual inclinations are, if you have a home decor item that is a positive reminder, it can offer good feng shui to your home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.